Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for coming back. We got a cool vehicle to showcase for you guys today. We got Hector's white ZR2 and the diesel variant to show you guys. He gives us a little driver's interview, tells us the problems he has and the benefits as well. This truck's been in a lot of our videos and we always get comments about it. People like it. There's a lot of interest in the diesel because of its setbacks and because of its advantages. So the driver was kind enough to give us a little interview, help you guys out, let you know what he's gone through, just so you guys can make wise purchases. As far as drawbacks, there's a few. The horsepower is the main hurdle that people can't get over for the diesel variant. Stock, it only comes with 191 horsepower compared to the V6 variant's 308. But it's got 369 pound-feet of torque, which is why we recommend it to everybody that's into crawling, because torque is what you want. It comes with stiffer springs in the front than the gas variant as well. So more of its drawbacks is that it doesn't corner as well as the gas ZR2. In the figure eights, it gets slightly higher times, which the V6 isn't that impressive either, but really good for a pickup truck. But surprisingly, even straight out of the box, it's got a lot of benefits over the V6. It's got slightly better braking and of course better mileage. He also goes through the modifications he had to make because of the upgraded 33-inch tires. Gio, another ZR2 owner, also gets in on the interview a little bit, and he also had a ZR2 with bigger tires, so he also offers some relevant information, some different wheels, all that stuff, offset, they get into it. So if you guys are planning to purchase, pay attention to them, save you guys some fender trouble. And without further ado, here's a driver letting you know what his thoughts are and what he recommends for the diesel ZR2. Every time your truck's in the video, or Gio's too, everyone asks me about the 33-inch tires, how hard it is to put them on there. What'd you have to do? You just threw them on there?
For the back, it's just throwing them on. Not a big deal. In the front though, they trimmed off about, I want to say about 2.5 to 3 inches from the front inside part of the fender.
All right.
Door.
All right. They just cut away.
Yeah, they just kind of cut it out, and that gave it the clearance, the turning radius to clear. Also, they're on zero offset, so that gives it a little bit more space.
All right.
Since the tire's wider.
I went with the positive 4. On the
Positive 4?
Yeah.
And did you get any of the fender trouble? How'd you get your fender trouble? Just from romping it too hard, or?
The fender trouble is always from the back, just from getting in there.
Yeah.
Flexing it.
All right.
Yeah, from the tire, the actual tire hitting the top.
Yeah. Well, even just with stock rims and stock tires, you can get fender trouble.
Yeah.
Well, with your throw offset.
Because when I put that for method, my rim and tire came out like almost 2 inches.
Yeah. They do. On the Raptor 2, I didn't get full tuck either.
So
what have you done? Because I know I wanted the diesel, just is more capable. Diesel holds their value better, but it was too slow. And you like to drive hard. Gio likes to drive hard. I like to drive hard. So you did engine mods.
yeah. The only thing as far as engine mods is just the tune, which is night and day with the truck.
All right.
It went from being a really nice, comparable truck to getting the torque in there to keeping up.
All right.
The only thing that there's still a problem is the lag, but I guess that's with time. Maybe it'll get fixed. Maybe a couple things here and there.
Left foot braking.
Yeah, exactly. Or just learning when to hit the gas.
Yeah, exactly.
When you're exiting the corners and stuff.
Yeah. What about? Didn't you do stuff to the transmission or just the rear end, or what'd you do?
Engine, both the transmission also got tuned, which is why I'm keeping up with everybody. Is because I got the transmission tuned for the 33-inch tires, so it rolls perfect. It shifts perfectly, and my gas mileage is ridiculous for rolling on 33s right now. I'm getting 22 on the highway daily driving, so that's
sweet.
It's nuts.
What's the price difference between the gas and the diesel? It's like $2 grand, $3 grand?
No, I believe it's 8 or
Son
7.5.
of a bitch.
7.5
Really?
or 8, yeah.
Wow.
Bigger price on this was 52.
How much are you in mods?
Just like actual mods or like bumpers and fenders and all that stuff?
Yeah, performance mods, all that
Performance
stuff.
mods.
Counting wheels.
Counting wheels. Let's see, wheels, 600. I want to say about $4 grand.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, so that's not too bad.
How'd you feel it here? Mine, it gets too sloppy on the back. It jumps up too much. How's yours?
It's still like a fucking Bronco in the back.
Yeah. But it keeps pushing on. No truck don't care.
Well, it kicks the front, it kicks the back up, and the front just fucking says, okay, well, I guess I gotta do more work, and it just fucking tears it up.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's been nuts. Especially seeing out here with the big trucks.
Yeah.
And just like, damn.
Everything. Yeah, awesome.
Good choice.
Yeah, hell yeah.
That, for sure.
So there you go, guys, from the owner himself. The reason I wanted to get him on video explaining his build is because his build is at the point where it's very sensible. It addresses all the shortcomings of the truck. It doesn't go overboard, doesn't go too far. It's right at the point where it's about to get ridiculous, and he's willing to take it there and even further than that. So I don't recommend that for you guys, just because you don't want to turn your daily driver into a project truck. But he loves it. He just wants more capability. He wants to smoke Raptor, so he's gonna go crazy with it. But the point where it's at now, I think is awesome. It's a ZR2. You get all the benefits of the ZR2 package, all the off-road awesomeness. this, and you get all the benefits of the diesel. So like always, thanks for watching, guys, and also big shout out to Steven from Drone World. All of this was his footage. He hooked it up. We'll have a video coming out later. This was all done in Baja. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. I'm gonna put a link to Hector's Instagram in the description just so you guys can contact him, ask him any questions, whatever, let him know your thoughts. He'll hook you up with some feedback. Thanks for watching, guys.